Butang.
Sige na.
Tiguan transpo ba yan?
Ay, baka nanay. Tapos, boy, ang ilok ka itahay. Itago ang ilok, ha?
Hala, nagi-koryo dai. Dali na sila. Na. Na. La.
Minus, ha? Kag ilok sa
1, 2, 3. 1.
Na. Ala.
Ano, oy?
Ano, ayaw ko na.
Lobo! Ipagawa ka! Ako na
Ready, shield guy. Watch this. 1, up. Down. Bayo.
Ayaw sa tagsasa. Tagsasa. Wala pa oy. Preliminary. Sige, preliminary. Question ko ya pag mga question.
And now it's around preliminary question of 40 each.
Analush, nahulog. Kanina, kaya makakasabot.
Alright, now, contestant number 1. How do you feel tonight?
I feel overwhelmed and fabulous.
Hey, that's so great. Now, just a simple question.
I like people's question. I like difficult ones.
Okay.
Lami ra.
Such simple.
Lamirang accent.
Alright, now, how a certain family should celebrate an ideal New Year?
Well, as a Philippine tradition, we do practice a get-together of the whole member of the family, and we get together and eat together as a symbol for Christmas, and like Happy New Year for everyone of us. That's during this time, the spirit of Happy New Year.
Na.
Memorize yung nag-aanap this John.
Alright, that's a very wonderful answer.
Thank you.
So much. Candidate number 2.
Bisaya ang question kay taga Leyte na.
By the way, candidate number 2, where are you from?
From Japan, Indonesia.
Japan, Indonesia.
Now, a very simple question is, if ever you be given a day without any law, without any rule, what you want to do?
Translator, please. Oy, prepare!
Balik ka sa question niya.
Now, you'll be given a day, one day without law, without any rule. What you would like to do?
Bulok mo. Kung nagahan ko na sa kaadlaw. Walay palaon. Unsay imong pagabuhaton ug ngano.
Another letter, please, Tagalog. I can have that. No, it's unfair. Don't worry, I'll be better to you. I need people outside, not like... No, ito na. Kung mamamatay ka ngayon, bakit hindi bukas? Hindi pa panahon.
Ladyo na kayong mga translate. Nagpatak ka.
Alright, now,
Mudaog silang Valenzuela karon.
Puerto Rico, kadaog.
Pagdagang uy.
music for that. The music is for that.
Ha?
Music is for that.
Music ba?
Talent daw, sunod no? Talent daw.
Masig mo abot na po na sluta. Dalihan po na music LP.
Ang operator din natawala.
Ako kaya ganyan ka ng buhaton ang tanparan ni Chon.
Pinakalamig yun nga question kay Bright kayo ng taga Valenzuela.
Bayot, Puerto Rico.
From the Blue Virgin, ang sa tingin on?
Contestant from Puerto Rico.
Blue Virginia.
From the land of blue vagina.
Nga, nabulo, magibutang Aniel?
Nilad mo na palpak ang mga sound system ba yun?
Wala, sabotahe na.
Minot ang atong
Sabotahe na.
bayot. Usap na, feedback man dahil.
Ate, palumaluwa po ni operator diri, oy.
Ito sa Madagway.
Ako to ng mga, you are here, the fortune.
Kung oy ka ng mga fire, girls on fire. Wala, gwapo dahil.
Yeah, gapo na. Dari mo, magpundom mo.